Time now for our Legal Difference segment with Nebula Beard and Arsenault. Attorney Mike Koch is back with us, and we're going to talk about uninsured motorist coverage. That's what we're going to start with. But first, congratulations. We were talking. You had a son graduate.
Yeah, my third son finally graduated.
Finally?
Well, I should finally had my last son graduate,
okay.
I should say that. But he graduated from Bolton High School Monday night and had a bunch of family in. So it's just real nice to have the last one graduate from high school.
It's almost a sense of relief, huh?
It really is nowadays.
Begin another chapter.
That's exactly right. And so much goes on with these kids nowadays that, you know, it's a big deal, you know, when kids graduate. Yep. And we definitely are proud of him for graduating. And we had the Bear Bash the Monday night where the few parents stay up all night and create a little function for the kids. And it really keeps them safe. And I know Ash does it in Pineville, all the schools do, so it's really a great thing.
Sure is.
And the parents put a lot of time in, you know, to make it happen.
You're glad when it's over.
Glad when it's over, and we thank the parents who did volunteer.
Yeah, congratulations again, Mike.
Thanks a
lot.
All
right, moving on now to uninsured motorist coverage. What is UM coverage? We'll start with that.
Yeah, UM coverage is coverage that you can buy on your vehicle, and what it does is provides insurance for you and people in your car in the event that there's an accident.
Right.
Unfortunately, we have a lot of uninsured motorists in Louisiana. So what you're doing is protecting yourself and your family and any passengers you have in your car. So the uninsured motorist would provide for coverage for anybody that's in your car. And then it also provides that if you're walking down the street and a vehicle hits you and you're injured and the person doesn't have enough insurance, that's when it applies, or no insurance. Those are two situations. And then you have to be free from fault. You can't make a claim on your uninsured motorist if you're at fault. Right?
Yeah, good point. How important is it to have that type of coverage, you think?
I think in Louisiana that it's really important. And before I became a lawyer, I didn't know what uninsured motorist was. But I got to learn what it was and see how so many times people are involved in accidents and there's not enough insurance coverage to compensate them. And it gets real sad when you have somebody's loved one killed by uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists, and there's just nothing there to compensate them, and the breadwinner of the family can't go on, and the kid's father, they don't have a father, and it's just really tough, and people have to move out of their houses. But that's just something, it is extra money to pay for it, but it's it's worth it. It's worth it, and it's a lot cheaper than your liability coverage. And I tell people to look into it, you know, and just see if it fits within your budget. But it's something to really consider is uninsured motorist coverage.
Are there different types of UM coverage?
There's two different types of UM coverage. You have economic only, and that provides coverage for medical bills and lost wages. And then you have just plain uninsured motorists, and that would provide for any type damages you sustain, pain and suffering, loss, enjoyment of life, things of that sort.
Yeah, you don't have to have it, but it's probably good to get it.
Yeah, no, I really strongly recommend people to visit with their agent and to, you know, talk to your agent about it. Let them confirm with you. And I just really think that that's one of the most important coverages besides your basic liability coverage to protect yourself. Is you want to protect, well, you protect other people with that liability coverage, but you're protecting yourself for any type of judgment against you. But uninsured motorist provides protection for your family.
Kind of a good umbrella coverage.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Right.
What happens if you sign a waiver for UM coverage?
And that's what, by law, everybody has uninsured motorist coverage. So what you do is you have to sign a waiver rejecting it.
Okay.
So a lot of times people don't even realize what they're signing. The insurance agent hands you the forms. A lot of times they do. Don't get me wrong on that. A lot of times they do. I mean, that's what, but they're just saying check here, and maybe they didn't ask the right questions or something. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, give you a little more detail.
Yeah, and how would that apply? But oftentimes people sign away and they check it off that they don't want uninsured motorist coverage. Otherwise, you have it. And you can get uninsured motorist coverage equal to your liability limits. So whatever your liability limits are, you can, you know, get the UM coverage equal to that or anything less than that too.
Gotcha. All right, Mike, for more information, if people have questions, the best way to reach out?
Yeah, to call Nebula Beard and Arsenault, Mike Koch, or look on our website, nbalawfirm.com.
All right, Mike, thanks for coming by, and congratulations on the graduation.
Well, thanks a lot, Mark. I appreciate it.
No problem. Dr. Jerry Pipes joins us in just a few minutes. Stick around.